I was talking to a doc from Knoxville, Tennessee, who I met a few years ago. When I go around and meet customers, there's always those people who are really, really mad at you. He was one of those, right? So this is the guy, Cerner doesn't do this, and you don't do this, and you don't do that. He's now our spokesperson for this clinical digital assistant. So not only has he become, have we won him over, he said that in his practice, he actually treats quite a few retired physicians. And when he's done seeing them, he says, look what this thing just did. And many of them have said, I wouldn't have retired. So we really think this will solve that burnout piece. And when you say head to head against Epic or the others, no one else can offer this fully integrated. So that's great. The second thing, which I would describe as almost greater, is we're not a company anymore. We're an end-to-end platform. So this cloud-enabled platform can connect things like back office, human capital management, ERP, which is budgeting, supply chain, to the clinical side. Every other industry connects those things. We have never done it in healthcare. So what are the use cases? Well, let's pretend I'm a nurse and I got trained on chemo 3 years ago, but I've not been on that unit. And now I'm on the chemo unit and I'm about to give chemo for the first time. We should know that from human capital management and have just-in-time refreshing training in the EHR right as that nurse is giving chemo. I'm in the operating room. I use ambient listening and did my whole note. Great. I replaced the hip. That should actually drive supply chain so we have the right supplies there next week for the next cases. I'm a population health manager. You know what? We're down on mammography, or maybe we need a colonoscopy campaign. Hey, Oracle, help me set up a colonoscopy campaign. It shows me what the cost will be, what the staffing will be. Do we have enough GI rooms to do it? So this whole thing now gets connected in a way that no one else has been able to do it.